Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is get your vegetables, so then that way you can kind of make a paste. The paste is going to be your seasoning, so you can soak all the meat up in it and have your consomme sauce, however you say it. I know I'll be saying it wrong. I'm not Spanish. Consomme, something like that. But anyway, so I'm just chopping up red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper. I did a half in my NutriBullet. I also have red onion, garlic, and I think I did mix a little bit of olive oil in there. So once I get those all placed in there, I'm gonna go ahead and let it chop it up. Y'all, I'm corny as the F word, so excuse me. All right, so now that I got that blended down, I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomato. And I'm gonna put the whole tomato in there, but I might have to do it in pieces just because it's so much. And whatever other vegetable that I still had left over, I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there too. So basically, like, I'm putting what can fit in there, blending it down. If it can't fit, I blend it down, put the rest in there, blend it down. Like, basically just, you know, keep combining it until it's all mixed together. Now, I'm adding jalapeno peppers. Please excuse my dog. Shut up! I'm adding jalapeno peppers because I want it to be a little spicy. Once I have that blended, I'm taking my chicken breasts. I believe I did 2 whole chicken breasts, and I sliced them really, really thin. And I just put them back in the colander, rinsed it out, and then I started to season. So here you see me sprinkling some different seasonings. These are seasonings that I use in my seasoning blend that will be available on my website. The link will be in my YouTube channel in the description box. And I also added like some regular Mexican authentic flavors such as cumin, and I also added chili powder, I'm sorry. My dogs will not let me be great. They're in here barking and sniffing at each other. They're about to get a whooping. Okay, so after you season your chicken, you know, all I do is I sit my meat in the bowl or in the pan, and I just throw all my seasonings on top, and to look like, you know, it's enough. Then after that, I just mix it all together. That's how I season my food. I make sure the top of everything in the bowl or the pan is completely covered with seasoning, and then I mix it up. All right, now your meat is seasoned, and you have your concoction, whatever. So you're gonna go ahead and brown your meat. Do a little olive oil, brown your meat or whatever. Go ahead, throw that sauce in there. I would say you probably want to cook it maybe about 4 to 5 minutes, you know, just so it's nice and brown on the outside. You want it to kind of be like partially cooked, but you know. So then after you add your paste, you're gonna add some chicken broth and kind of let that all melt down. I did add a pack of taco seasoning because I, you know, want that flavor again. So after the chicken is done, you're gonna shred it like I just did here, and you're gonna place it back into your bowl. Your pan, sorry. And then also what I did was I strained my the juice and stuff from my chicken. I strained it, and I set the raw juice to the side, and then like all the pulp from the juice, I went and put it back into that same pot that the chicken is in, just so it can keep those flavors, and like it's a paste, so it's soaking up everything. So then you're just gonna do your taco sauce, your taco seasoning like the package requires, and see how this is just like the thin raw juices of everything. That's gonna be your consomme sauce. And then see how the chicken is just getting even more tender. Like, this is how I do it, so I can cut down on that long ass process of having it slow cook and everything. So once you got, you know, the meat part done, this is the easy part, baby. You go ahead and get your little griddle hot. Put some olive oil down. Now you can dip your tortilla directly into your consomme sauce, but I just drizzle a little bit because I don't do all that mess. Throw my tortillas down. After I do the tortilla, I'm gonna add my cheese. So I did like I think it was like a Mexican style cheese or something like that. I just did that cheese. And I think I added red onions, and I also added some cotija cheese. I'm probably saying that wrong too, y'all. My Spanish is not great. Don't shoot the messenger. It's gonna be written in the description box. Anyway, so then I'm gonna add my little shredded chicken, because you know that shit look fire. Look how it's looking. It's all juicy and whatnot. Add that. Add your cotija cheese and your onions, and then just let it simmer for a minute. Just let it, you know, queso fresco. But I do like that cheese, like it's crumbly cheese, but when it melt, oh my god, like it's so good. Like using the real deal Holyfield stuff, it's just make your taste buds happy. So anywho, after you know you get a nice little browning on one side, you just gonna go ahead and flip that bad boy on over to the other one on top. Smash it together, you know, let everything marinate, get all married together, and you know, kiss each other. Add a little bit more cheese on top. I'm gonna add a little more of the queso fresco cheese, you know, the authentic Mexican cheese. You can also take a little more of the consomme sauce and, you know, just drizzle it around your tortilla so, you know, it won't stick. It can kind of, you know, help lift it a little bit. Okay. And then, boom, it's done. Put that shit on the plate. And I'm just going to give you a top view, you know, of the shredded chicken with the cheeses and the onions. Like how it looks on the inside. Same method. All right, then you know you can garnish it with whatever. Got the consomme sauce on the side. I got a little spicy guac. I love sour cream and chive, so of course I had to have it on top. You could put it on the side in another dish. It just depends on how you want it. But look how cheesy and just delicious the birria chicken quesadilla, pizzadilla, whatever. It just looked good. I wish I could have bit it on camera for y'all so y'all could have seen the cheese like slide from that shit was good. But yes, so please like, follow, subscribe, share this video, leave comments below, let me know. Thank you so much for watching.